Hello guys, welcome to the Introspection. I am Janvi and today we are going to learn vocab or lexical resources related to crime and law. It is the episode number 16 and you can check the previous episodes on our channel Introspection. In the last episode we have covered 3 words. The first word was surveillance. The surveillance is the careful watching of someone, especially by an organization such as the police or the army. The second word was collision. A collision occurs when a moving object crashes into something. The third word was infringement. It is a variable noun and the definition is an action or a situation that interferes with your rights and the freedom you are entitled to. Now, before moving to our next words, I want to announce that if you want your essays or letters to be checked or evaluated by a professional, you can join our Facebook group and the link is in the description box, so don't forget to check it. Now, let's move to our first word, rehabilitation. The meaning is the act or process of rehabilitating, and it is the treatment of physical disabilities by massage, electrotherapy or exercises. Let's look at the synonyms of this word. I don't think so there are direct synonyms of this word. Let's look at the example. Important as rehabilitation is, prison also serves the needs of deterrence and retribution. Let's look at the collocations. Rehabilitation, rehabilitation of, rehabilitation center. Especially the physiotherapy centers are known as rehabilitation center. Rehabilitation program for rehabilitation. Let's look at the other things. There are no word forms related to this word, so let's move to another word. Evasion. It is a variable noun and it means deliberately avoiding something that you are supposed to do or deal with. If you accuse someone of evasion when they have been asked a question, you mean that they are deliberately avoiding giving a clear, direct answer. Let's look at the synonyms. Avoidance, escape. Let's look at the example. He was arrested for tax evasion. Let's look at the collocations. Text, tax, evasion. Let's go for the grammar part. The plural is evasions. Let's look at the third word, introspection. It is an uncountable noun and the definition is the examining of your own thoughts, ideas and feelings. Let's look at the synonyms. Self-examination, self-analysis. Let's go for the example. He had always had his moments of quiet introspection. The collocations related to introspection. Merged introspection, amount of introspection, causing introspection. Let's look at the other things. The adjective is introspectional or introspective. The noun is introspectionist. The adverb is introspectively and the noun is introspectiveness. In the next video, we will cover the word repercussion, obstacle, dictator and many more. Until then, like, share and subscribe to our channel and don't forget to check the link in the description box. Thank you so much.